Imagine someone told you 10 years ago that you'd be talking to an AI smarter than your teacher, or that people would control machines with their minds. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in 2025, these predictions have become reality. Get ready to have your mind blown. Here are 5 future predictions that have actually come true. AI that writes, talks, and thinks like a human. In 2015, people laughed at the idea of AI talking like humans. But in 2025, tools like ChatGPT-5, Google Gemini Ultra, and Sora are not just chatting, they're writing scripts, creating music, solving math, and even making animations. Some schools are even replacing textbooks with AI tutors. And in countries like China and South Korea, AI teachers are being used in classrooms. Self-driving cars are now on roads. Once seen only in movies, self-driving cars are now very real. In cities like San Francisco, Dubai, and Shenzhen, people are booking robotaxis with no drivers inside. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Baidu have already launched autonomous taxi services, and they're safer than many human drivers. Brain chips are connecting minds to machines. Elon Musk once said humans could merge with machines. In 2025, that prediction is becoming reality. Neuralink successfully tested its brain chip in humans this year. People with paralysis are now able to move cursors and send messages using just their thoughts. This breakthrough could soon help blind people see and paralyzed people walk. Flying taxis are no longer just a dream. Back in the 90s, flying cars were pure fantasy, but in 2025, flying taxis are being tested in cities like Dubai, Paris, and Tokyo. Companies like Joby Aviation and Volocopter are launching air taxis that take off like helicopters and land on rooftops. No traffic, no noise, just air travel at your fingertips. Virtual worlds are becoming alternate realities. Remember when the metaverse was just a buzzword? In 2025, virtual reality is more real than ever. From business meetings to weddings, people are attending events using VR headsets. Students explore planets in 3D classrooms. Gamers live second lives inside digital worlds. Meta, Apple, and HTC are making this future our new normal. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Which of these 5 predictions amazed you the most? Or do you know any other futuristic ideas becoming real in 2025? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing facts only on iqsparktv.